You could say that I had kind of a bumpy start. When I was born, my parents were young, newly married, and they were both alcoholics. Thankfully, by the time that I was about 6, they had stopped drinking and we had joined a local church. And I would say that that really turned the direction of our little family. But when I was a sophomore in college, I had come home for break and my parents said that we needed to talk. They had actually been asked to share their story at our church, and there were some things that they needed me to know, some things from their past that they had not shared with me before, some things that were actually very hard for me to hear. And I don't remember most of what they actually said that day, but I just remember feeling shocked and confused and then really angry. And I left to go back to school really heavy-hearted. I think I was just brokenhearted at the idea that this picture that I had had of our little family was in some way shattered. And over the next few years, I really drifted away from my parents. I didn't want to. I still really loved them and there were great things about them, but I was just stuck in the hurt and I didn't know how to move past it. And so it really stayed like that for quite a while. Until I was leading a funny group of girls in our high school ministry at our church. And a good friend of mine who was very wise and very smart, she and I were basically just talking about how hard it is to get kids to love and honor and respect their parents, especially if there is any kind of relational brokenness there. And she lovingly reminded me of the 5th commandment, and that loving and honoring our parents is not really a suggestion. And one bit of encouragement that she gave me was just to help the students be able to honor their parents and respect their parents at the very least, because God had used them to bring them to life, and used the parents to bring the students to life, and to respect them and honor them for that. And I thought, oh, that could actually be my starting point. Maybe even I could do that. And so I started there. I started with that. And it was really slow and subtle at first, but my heart eventually changed. And I was finally truly able to forgive my parents and to see them just as human beings, like myself, within whom goodness and brokenness are hand in hand. And sometimes I'm really sad that it took me that long to get to that point, but I'm really grateful for the healing that brought both me and my family.
Descubra a Bíblia da Way, o caminho. Uma obra com a qualidade CPAD.